To begin, you're going to need some paper, preferably thick paper, some watercolors, white oil pastel or crayon, a paper towel, a cup of water, a paintbrush, and a pencil. First, we're going to draw with our pencil very lightly an egg shape. Next, we're going to start designing our Easter eggs. So I'm going to start creating designs. Remember to draw lightly because we will be tracing over these designs with white, and we don't really want the pencil to be the focus, so draw as lightly as you can. Alright, so once we have all our designs, then we can take our white oil pastel or crayon and begin tracing over all our designs. Alright, once all your designs are traced over, grab your paintbrush and dip it in your water. Now what I found that works best is dipping your brush in the water and just getting a little bit of watercolor. We want a little more water than pigment or paint. So we're going to grab some water and just swirl it just a little bit. And you'll probably begin to notice that the white oil pastel or crayon is starting to show through. The reason this happens is because oil and water cannot mix. The same goes for crayons. The oil in the oil pastel or the wax in the crayon can't mix with the water in the watercolor. So the crayon and the pastel start to act sort of like a shield. They kind of block the water. Here's what I got. If you want to try doing this without using pencil first, you can. It just may be a little bit harder to see what you're doing as you're drawing. But I hope you enjoyed doing a watercolor resist painting with me, and I'll see you later.